Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. So I've got a quick unboxing and demo for you guys today. So as you know, the channel is always expanding. It's always creative new ideas and new gadgets and gizmos and everything I could possibly think of to try and make the filming and everything better for you guys, and this is another item that will hopefully do that for you. This was gifted to me by a absolutely amazing subscriber. Thank you very much, Jordan. I really appreciate it. This will definitely make handheld videos a lot smoother and nicer to look at. So you probably guessed, well, you would have seen from the title of what it is. So I have got a gimbal. This is a 3-axis gimbal here in the box. Now I have taken it out and I have charged it up already, so I will warn you, this isn't just the first unboxing, but I wanted to unbox this for you guys because it is such a wonderful little gadget and I am so happy. So let me get you guys a little bit closer and we'll take a look. So here we have the OSMO Mobile 2. This is the user manual. This was a refurbished device. So it is new, but it has been refurbished. Comes with the instructions and the user manual, which are very, very complete, as I've had a read through them. And they show you how to set it up step by step. It's very, very easy. Comes in this foam case, hard foam case, for you to carry it around without damaging, because you really should use the case with it to store it, because it's a delicate piece of equipment. So if we take this out, and we also have a charging cable as well, just pop that to one side. Here we have the 3-axis gimbal. So this device is fantastic. It has many different features. It has its own software as well that you can use for filming. I personally don't like the software. I prefer to use my own, which is just the phone for filming. Charging it up is there. That's for the charger to charge it up. It takes about 15 hours. I'd leave it on charge overnight for the first time you're charging it. This didn't come with any charge whatsoever. And you have to balance it. So you follow the instructions and it shows you how to balance the phone or balance the gimbal. So you have to put it on a flat surface. You put your phone, slide it inside there. You adjust this so that when your phone's resting in there, that this is stable, and you can adjust the nut here. There's also a nut on this side as well for adjusting the other way if you wanted to have your phone in that direction, so you can turn it around. Personally, I'll have my phone in that direction, so I'm going to tighten that back up. Once you have your phone in there, put it on a flat surface and you press the on button. The on button is this button here. You hold down for a few seconds till all the lights flash on, and then boom, it gets into its mode for starting to film, like this. And then you literally have 2 modes with it. So imagine the phone is in there. Let me turn this off. Let me get something that I can use for the phone. So what I have here is a for my old phone, it was a light, LED light. So imagine that this is the phone. So you put your phone in like so, and as you can see, that is not balanced. So you can adjust the gimbal, until it reaches a balanced mode, like so. And when you turn the gimbal on, like so, hold the button down, and then it fits into mode. So now your phone is in mode. If you wanted to, if you tilt the camera down, this will tilt down like so, slowly and smoothly. If you turn it left, the gimbal will turn left and right, and you can go down, and it will slowly follow you around like so. The other mode on it, so if you have it, if you put it on a flat surface and double tap this, it does a little sort of like rebalancing for you if you find it's a little bit out of kilter. So that mode follows your movements. Tap it twice, or sorry, tap it once, and then this mode keeps it level. So if you want to keep your camera level, you can use this mode. It's not doing it very well because and in that way it keeps your camera at that level, so it's very smooth, a lot smoother than just holding the camera. Tap it again, set it on a place, double tap, that resets it, and then you can use the gimbal to do your filming, to go down, to look up, to go right, and to go left. Very, very simple. So again, double tap it, that sort of like resets it for you back into normal mode. This on then is a toggle, so you can go left, right, up or down if you wanted to. You can use it as you're moving, but to be honest, you really don't need it if you're using the mode where it follows you around. And then you have to reset it. Tap, tap, boom, reset. If you're using the other mode where you want to keep it straight and then you want to go down and up, then you can. So if I reset it, boom, like so, and then you can use the toggle then to go up and down manually, or left and right, and it will always keep it, or try to keep it in that position for you. It's amazing. It's a wonderful little device. Right, okay, so the proof of the pudding is in the eating, charging it up. Then what you can do is to connect it to your Bluetooth. So you put your Bluetooth on search, you will find this detail here, and then you can use it then to start and stop your filming. There is a zoom feature on there, but that's only available to use in the app, unfortunately. If you're using the filming app, then you can use that feature. But otherwise you can just use it as a simple start and stop on that. So let's have a go. Let me get the camera off the tripod and we'll have a little go and have a little wander around. Okay, so I got you in my hand at the moment, not in the gimbal. This is the instruction book that explains everything to you. There are far better reviews on this product than what I am doing right now. I am literally just doing a show and tell. But if you have a look for this product on YouTube, you will see a lot more professional videos on it. So here we have the gimbal. So now I'm going to slide you in, said the vicar to the nun. Oh, now this case that I have with it is a bit of a pain, so let me take this case off. So this is the case that I'm using on my phone, and it just does not want to fit in properly, unfortunately. So there we have the gimbal. Open it up, slide it in like so. Boom, slid in. Now I am going to have to readjust it because this is a lot heavier than the... So I'm going to put you on a flat surface and I'm going to adjust so that you are almost level. and then tighten it up. And then switch you on. Boom. And there we go. So you're all lined up. Now if I move the camera up and around, if I move you down, you will pan down smoothly. And if I lift you up, you will go up smoothly. And now we can see some dogs. Right, so let's have a little wander around. And you can have a look as I move and swipe the camera around. There's the doggies, being very well behaved. Hello, doggies. Lift you up, nice and smooth. So now we can have a look at the Kirby wall. I use that to polish the floors in the kitchen. And there is the floor head for it. And there we have some more Kirby's. Some of these down here, majority of them need work doing to them. A secret box there. There's some Henrys. There's the studio. Panning around. It's lovely and smooth, as you can see. The only jerky action is my hand. Right, okay, let's go outside. Okay, so I've got you next to the pond, and I'm going to use the toggle button now to move you around and up and down. Hiya! Nice smooth action. As you can see. Okay, now I'm going to double tap it to reset it. Tap on the double end. And then move around like this. And you should gently sweep from side to side. There's the end of Dexter that just disappeared. And now we can come into the house. And the washing machine is on a white load. Well, it's on a mixed load of towels. Sweep you around into the kitchen. Joey's not in his bed. Let's go upstairs. So I've turned on the Bluetooth so I can stop and start the filming. Let's go into the Hoover room. Now we can see. So I can pan around. Show you all the vacuums and go down nice and smooth. And come up. So it's got a really, really nice smooth action. It's not light, but it's got a nice grip on it. And your filming will be a lot smoother than when you were using just your hand to hold the phone or to hold your camera. So it's very, very smooth. It's really nice. And then I can stop it using the Bluetooth button and then start it again. So I don't have to touch the phone, which is really good. If we go into the bedroom and I hold you in my hand so you can see it. So there you can see the action of the gimbal. And if I tap that button, then that kind of keeps the phone. Ooh, it didn't then. Woo, it's gone crazy. My pussy's gone crazy. Let me double tap it. And that resets it. So as you can see, the phone, I am moving my hand from side to side. It's not going to stop you going from up and down, but I am moving the gimbal, as you can see. Now the reason why it's doing it on that side, and then it's doing it on that side. Possibly you can only take it to a certain angle, I don't know. But again, this was refurbished and this cost, I think it was like £85 including delivery. So it's not bad for the price. It's better than the other gimbal I had, which would only be able to take small phones. So this is so good. I absolutely love it for the steady shots. Right, let's put it back onto normal mode and reset it. Tap, tap. And then pan up and down like normal if I go around. And there we go. Just a quick overview video. And there's a little nose of the room as well, the Hoover room. We haven't been in here for a while. So let's get back into the studio. Okay, so if I'm just walking fast, just walking as normal. Let's see how smooth that is. I'm walking with a bit of a gait. Naughty dogs running around. Right, and we're back in. So that was pretty smooth. Okay, so there you are, guys. That is just my very, very quick overview demonstration of this gimbal, 3-axis gimbal, which is fantastic. It genuinely is going to make my life so much easier for making videos. And let me just pop it back into its case. These are the instructions. I won't need to keep the instructions with it. But like I said, there are lots of other professional videos, much better review videos of this. This is just my little take on it for you guys to see that now, if I'm doing any more sort of like standstill shots or walking around, you will have the filming being done on this OSMO mobile. This is the second generation of it. You can connect it up to your device, to the app. It's worth downloading the app because for a software firmware update, which I haven't done to this yet, but later today I will be downloading the OSMO mobile app, and then I will do the firmware update for it to help it. So yeah, that's what you can do. Even if you don't use the app for filming, still do it for the update. That's really important. And there we go. Fantastic. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much for Jordan for this. This is going to make filming so much nicer when I'm having to use freehand, and it is going to get a lot of use. So go and check out lots of other review videos on this product, and I will see you guys very soon. But for now, bye y'all.